Today is September 24th and it's dinner time, and Nathan made Selena some beautiful veal manicotti, which she threw on the floor, and now she's having some yogurt with molasses for dinner. I think she's cutting a tooth, and she's also learning to use her spoon. Can you show the camera how you go scooping in your mouth? Scooping in your mouth. Try the other end of the spoon. Can you flip the spoon around? Scoop, and then into your mouth. Good. Excellent. One more time. Scoop, and then into your mouth. Scoop. Good. Good eating. Scoop. Scoop it in your mouth. Yeah, good. You like the yogurt? Yummy, yummy. It's got pears in it too, doesn't it? You threw all your pears in it. Scoop. Your pears are in the yogurt. I think you got a little something on your face. Yeah. I think you got a little something on your face. Scoop it in your mouth. One more time for the camera. Good one. Good one, pretty girl. Good one. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Can you wave bye-bye? Oh, good. Waving. Bye-bye, camera.